Kalong shisha ke kubor ka ba aimen sem yaki samla puli jong ke jela megalia bakin nang min top ha ki jing puli jong ki ha ke bahadu un reungut ki samla puli ki bari ki samla khasi ki ba puli ha ke school ba University of Science and Technology USTM ha kendai mer baridwa kelio ban khur ya ka tak maksiar halo ka jingle ba jong ki ha ka ba kilala banwan shakhaman ha ki jing puli degree ka jong ki kini ki hin reungut ki samla puli ki balio apdiang ya kita ke maksiar ki kentup ya ka samla Ivan Terry Lengdo, samla Jennifer Judy Brown Rambai, samla Dathau M Kharkongor, samla Ibanella Suting, samla Ibanita Di Lapang, bat usamla Dusan Sar Maulong, ki bala yo pediang ya kini kita ke maksiar lengba ka program IT ya ki degree, sya ki samla puli hakikadan baper ka belalong menta ka singi hapo ka Central Auditorium jong ka school ba USTM. Kiladon hadu khatlai spa life arngut ki samla pule ki balayo pediang ye ki degree certificate ha ka ba khatwei ngut ki layo pediang ye ka PhD degree praspa ar fulai ngut ki samla pule ki layo pediang ye ka postgraduate degree but sauspa kanai pu prangut ki layo pediang ye ka undergraduate degrees la samru ye ka honorary doctorate of science sha u Dr. Ravi Kannan Padma Shri ubadi u director ka Kashar Cancer Hospital but Dr. Abdul Wase, Professor of Medicine, Wright State University, USA. La Samru ya ka Honorary Doctorate of Letters, Shau Prasanta Rajguru, Editor-in-Chief ka Prague News, but kiwe. Ha ka ba ya ki jing itu baro, bala itu kerpang deka school ba USTM, la sam bat penbena da u ma bubul hok, ubade u Chancellor jong ka school ba USTM.
Sini udah terat kalau ayah ngakemet pokok pihak tunjuk di perlok ba ngalap an poi akannya school ba amta ba ke tindor akademi do ba laptin nanti yangi sedu sana yang sukuman sekadai ba ngio kene full medal rekat ngai kublai ya nei pai bala juris tinenti yang ana do kena adu kene timat bamta dalam baju ba joki ba ngasa la ban poi kat hadu kana thong kunjuru kino hikai baro ki bala hikai yang ana du di school hadu ki college kunjuru apo jo kana university amtam besar ai bor seliang bala tinenti yang a kecing kuliah baju ai mesin yang abar bor dileng baju tinenti jungi ba sayo ban pendepok ya kana kecing kuliah mentah tentang tak.
First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every graduate. It's a day of celebration. A day when you look back on many challenges you have overcome and look forward to those that lie ahead. Knowing that you have the skills and knowledge needed to reach them. It's a day that you never forget. Congratulations to Padma Shri Dr. Ravi Kannan, Dr. Abdul Wase and Mr. Prashant Rajguru. They are the recipients of honoris Doctor of Science and they conferred upon in recognition of their outstanding contributions in their own fields by the Chancellor of this prestigious university. Dear students, I am aware that you have made many sacrifices for better performance and earn your degrees. At the same time, it's quite important on this occasion to recognize the efforts and sacrifices of those who have supported you on this journey. This includes your family members, your teachers, and the institution from where you are graduating. You owe a lot to all of them. It's my privilege to address the 7th convocation of this prestigious university of Northeast. I congratulate the entire University of Science and Technology Meghalaya family, as the university has recently accredited grade A by NAAC